I just want to make this quick video for you guys, showing you guys why I'm trading JPM Chase ahead of earnings. Now, we have earnings reporting tomorrow before the bell, I believe. Now, if we have a positive earnings, we're going to be expecting JPM Chase to jump up. I'd say it could jump anywhere from like $3 to $5 per share. I really like this trade. The only reason why I'm buying this is I'm buying off the 26-day bounce right here. Now, I teach all of my students in my academy how to trade ICHIMOKU. This indicator is powerful. I've developed different ways, different strategies, different styles that I like to use and how I like to use it. So it's like kind of like special for me. So I'm not going to go ahead and go through all of that. I'm just going to go ahead and talk about, why I went ahead and placed this trade, when I'm expecting, all that good stuff. So I'm just going to leave. We could just go ahead and go here really quick and take the plots background. I'm just going to go ahead and leave these moving averages here. So with the weekly chart, it's pretty much beneath both these moving averages, but the monthly chart, let's say we have a positive earnings. I would love to see price actually jump above this and see it come right back up to 119 per share. Now, right now, we're sitting at a pretty strong resistance level. Now, if we can't beat this resistance level tomorrow, then guess what? JPM Chase might come down to here. It'll hit my stop loss. My take profit is initially at $118 per share. If price comes up and then sits right here, I can do two things. I can close it, anticipate it to come back down, so we can stay in the sideways flat right here. Or, let's say price comes all the way up to here. I can go ahead and wait, see if it breaks higher, and hold this trade. But right now I'm anticipating JPM Chase's earnings to beat. You can see right here. Oh, and they had a dividend as well. Very cool. So 713. Yeah. So what is today? Let me just check my phone really quick. The 12th. So earnings is going to be tomorrow. For all of you guys who are going to watch this video today, make sure that you guys take proper risk. Do not risk at more than 1 to 2% per trade.